short notice, right? But I mean, these we are very fortunate that families of all like person with us today, right? Three, you have to get you guys go to you guys face to face, and that way we can talk to you guys and hear from us directly of what are we about. Okay, so we're like most of us are full times active duty and veterans and family members. Like we've been doing this Allen Memorial Tournament for like 5 years now. Like this year, we did a lot of planning to it. A lot of planning, and everything was good until the rain. The good thing is that it's not just a tournament. And we don't only do the tournament. So basically, what we do is like, okay, we raise funds. Like, then we make jerseys. Anybody who want to order jerseys, like, okay, you want to we'll make you a jersey. I mean, the reason behind the jersey is like to show that we don't forget. Okay, all the jerseys is Island Warriors back with the fallen name. Behind it, numbers to say that there was so that's why so we make jerseys and we also everybody comes together, coming together, play golf and like the plan.
And make the
And the last thing is like give back to the family. And that is like why we are making this. To give back to the families, let them know that we don't forget. Okay, we gotta remind you guys every year that we never get home because we are not here any older. That's basically what we are about. And we are very appreciative that we're blessing for the family. Right now we got 16 families. I recall we had like 14, 14 some of them still came in contact with us. So that's like a big problem. Without further ado, thank you guys very much for allowing us to do this. We really appreciate it. God bless. All right, go ahead, Scott. And it's not easy to run the Memorial or fall. So once again, thank you guys. And for them right and for the future match, thank you guys very much. If you they already got their tip, and they're actually wearing their jersey, and they like it. I want to open up the floor for you guys. You guys want to say anything? It's time to go. Listen, myself again, I'm a Toronto girl. Corporal for what? It's not. It's my mom's oldest brother was born in 1980, so we're kind of in that same age. So we grew up together just like a brother, even though he was not. He basically a little bit short story about him. I don't know how many. Him and a group of friends, they were all in high school involved. And him and a group of friends, they all took a draft with a hat, what Redstone was. He was supposed to be enlisted in the army. He turned around and joined the Marine Corps. He was one of the few people fallen in Iraq. Was a suicide bomber. Thankfully, we were able to identify the bomber.
service was great. Mom did an amazing job. But just to know that it's you guys that's representing our family. It's a movement. And just to find out about it, I'm moved. And I want all the families out there to know that there's still love out there for our fallen. They're never going to be forgotten. So I appreciate you guys, and it's an honor to be amongst you guys and have you. So that you'll get from the wall.
This year, if I don't go rain stuff, but it will be stuff that together on our own. So, thank you guys so much for doing this.
As some programs are going to be and if you want to leave it. All right, take care, everybody.